Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the mini again. That one. and made some really good progress. Some stuff that's behind the scenes, behind obviously the camera. And yeah, it's been going forward though, it's been really good. All the parts that I painted have come out so nicely, amazingly. And first and foremost is got some more lighting. And on that note, we're doing CVs and drive shafts and hubs, the disassembly. So I've done the right hand side, so I'm going to show you how to do the left hand side. Same but different sides. So let's hop into it. Looks like we have a helper here. Oh, okay, there goes my rag. Rover, where's my rag? Anyway, let's get into this. So I reckon first things you want to do is just take off the drum, and then we take the cotter pin out, and after the cotter pin we take this front bolt off. So let's do that quickly. Luca decided to come and help me. Lots of helper. No. Yeah. Yeah, eat this. Yeah. There we go. Move. The life of a dog owner. Anyway, now that we've got that off, let's take the hub off. So as you can see, I chopped this. Well, brake fluid. No, none of it's on the car. That's fine. As you can see, I chopped that because I don't need this. I'm going on a disc setup, so I'm just going to carry on taking off these. It's a 1/2 inch, and I think this is a. So I don't actually know what that is. I've got no idea. I think it's a 5/8 or even smaller, but anyway, I'm going to take these off, take them out, then if I don't come right with this, because this is also being stubborn, I'm going to chop it, and then just pull it out, but let's try to get it out nicely. Again, these are being super stubborn, so I'm just going to chuck it back in the bench vise and try again. So I've decided not to even remove the cylinders, but just to take the whole plate off. So I'm going to take them off quickly. And just like that, that's how you strip a front hub axle thing. Um, yeah. If you really want to, you just need to pop these things off here. The whatever you want to call them, they like clamp onto these bolts onto where the ball joints are. I'm probably gonna get new ones because mine have a bit of play in them. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all the hard work. It's pretty simple. That's it. And I'm also going to be doing a front disc brake conversion, which is going to be really cool. Quite excited about that. I'm going to buy that within the next few weeks when I start making some money, buying, selling some parts, the usual. But that's essentially all for today. Simple, easy, quick, hopefully quick, the way how to disassemble this. And also I'm going to be getting these drive shafts and the rubber housing or the dust covers replaced tomorrow. So I'm going to be recording that too. I'm taking it to a shop, the guys here will help me, so I'm going to record that too. Pretty stoked on doing that. But yeah, for now, that's all for now. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, you know. And always, don't forget to send it. Have a good one. Catch you on the next one.